Trisha Barnes spent most of her childhood suffering from a rare condition that only affects about 3% of the population called scoliosis. Months after her second spinal surgery, she was running marathons again. Her story is one of perseverance and triumph.
I just had my second spine surgery on December 9th for scoliosis. I was diagnosed with scoliosis when I was in middle school. And we didn't really do much about it whenever I was diagnosed. We just kind of watched it and monitored the progression throughout my adolescence.
Scoliosis is a spinal deformity where there is a curvature of the spine combined with rotation in what we call the coronal plane. In other words, if you stand and look at someone from back to front, in that view, there's a curvature of the spine and there's also some rotation of the spine.
3 months after having spinal fusion surgery, Barnes was able to run again. She competed in the 5K Gusher Marathon.
Running is my hobby, and I was really worried before surgery, like, what if I'm not able to do this anymore? And so I talked with Dr. Francis, and he assured me that I would be able to get back to the activities that I enjoyed, that this wouldn't impact my ability to run once I got through my recovery.
What we did was that we went in and we removed the lower part of the existing construct and we put in a new series of spinal rods and screws and corrected the lower curvature and brought the trunk back over into the proper position.
It's one of those diseases that does progress over time. I was diagnosed in middle school, and here I am 30 years old and just had my second surgery. So it is something that needs to be monitored. Listen to your doctor and see what your options are, and just realize that it is something that can be fixed, thankfully, and that you can live a normal life after scoliosis surgery.
Keandra Bowers, LUTV News, Beaumont.
Well, that was a good story. I mean, it shows you what, I guess, humans can come up with science and technology and, fix somebody up and get them back running again.
It's a miracle. Scoliosis it's a sad disease to go through if you can't get the procedures you need.
Yeah. But it doesn't really look like we're going to be running any marathons today or much this week. We got Maya Mosley at our weather wall ready to give us her forecast.